There you go, there's a Camaro or Firebird. Old Le Mans, an old jacked up Impala right there, and another Camaro or Trans Am. I do like this place. The only problem is you gotta come at the right time of year, because once these weeds start growing, it is literally impossible to get through this place. I mean, even now, it's kind of difficult. See what I mean? It's kind of like walking through a jungle in here. So where last time I came here, I wanted to bring a machete with me. Okay. So, there's not much of a path here. Alright, let's get back to things that actually matter. Here's a Suburban. A clear path for once. Man, they got a ton of these second generations out here. Ooh, I do need a windshield. Oh, so much for that. Oh, look what I found. One of the reasons I really love coming to this place, because they have probably about 20 C10s sitting here. I mean, just walking through here for a couple minutes, I've already found 2 of them right next to each other. Very convenient. Well, that used to be a car. Alright, I think I found my next C10 project. Wow, I mean, what's salvageable on this thing? The control arms, the motor mounts, the Z-bar. Wow, there is nothing left of this truck. Nice convertible though. Well, if any of you need a straight 6 and don't want to spend a lot of time pulling it, I got the perfect engine for you. It's basically already out of the car. I would say it's more part of the earth than it is part of the car. Man, this is a second generation Camaro Firebird graveyard. Junk upon junk upon junk. There's some parts on some of these vehicles though. Some of the stuff's salvageable. Kind of depends on what you're looking for. Like that Camaro had seats, so I mean the seats are garbage, but at least I'm sure the frames you could, you know, clean up and repaint and get new cushions for and get new seat covers for, so there's still stuff out here. I should honestly have a C10 count. What is that, 4, 5 at this point? Stopped counting. Dude, this thing is sweet. Man, what a waste. This thing's still pretty intact. Here you go, there's your Cutlass for the day, for you Oldsmobile guys. What's left of it. Man, I've seen some rot in my day, but this is pretty extreme. Alright, there's that C10. Looks like the front grille threw up the headlight. Another straight 6. Wow. You guys see this? This is fancy. Oh, look at that. Floor carpet everywhere. I mean, look at that. Even the kick panels are carpet. That is awesome. I wonder how he cleaned this thing. What would possess somebody to do this? Look up there. I mean, even the details. He even put carpet up there. Must have been the Home Depot special. Man, there's a lot of junk out here, man, but I think this thing wins. Oh, interesting. I found another C10 right next to it. So what is that, like 6, 7? I see another one, 8, 9, 10. Now what I failed to do is I failed to look at the cowl sections on these trucks. I got one locally that I'm going to pull, but maybe these guys would give me a decent price if I found one here. Alright, either way, getting back to this wonderful interior. Man, I'm loving this thing. Man, when people say my headliner's sagging, that's an understatement compared to this. I'm surprised the seats aren't made of carpet. You guys will not believe what I just found in this lot. I'm speechless right now. Another C10. Usually when I need C10 parts, which I haven't really had the need to go looking, this is where I come. Obviously. So what number is this? I don't even know. I'll have to put a count on here. There's another one. Alright, so we're almost done in this section. They have a couple other sections, but there's newer stuff. I don't think I'm gonna run into any more C10s. Wait a minute. Oh, look at that. The worst thing is that out of all these C10s that I've seen, not one of them had a dashboard for a factory AC car, which would be nice because I have a non-AC, so there's a couple holes missing for the actual AC vents. Well, I guess here's another 2 C10s I can check. Wow. I'm kind of losing count. I don't even remember if I filmed this one. I don't think I did. I don't remember the color scheme. Once again, regular non-AC dash. All right. Jump over this gas tank here. I wonder what I'm gonna find. What's over here? Oh, another 2 C10s. Well, I was planning on replacing my bed. What do you think? This is a decent replacement? Hey, at least I don't have to remove the floor on this one. It's already out. Well, this one doesn't have the AC dash, but it does have a sweet tape player. And yes, there's a handful of square bodies here too. And Chevy trucks, 66 and older. They're here. I don't have one, so I'm not really looking for parts for them. So I'm not noticing them as much as I probably should be. As far as the C10 count, there's this many C10s. For those of you that like 3rd generation Camaros and Firebirds, here's a row of them. So back in high school, I had this same exact Camaro. This is actually an '89. That would have been cool if it was the actual car I owned, but I had a '92 25th anniversary. Basically had the same paint finish. I do miss that car. That was a fun little car. Anybody need an engine? Man, hopefully this thing doesn't avalanche down. The great Junkyard engine avalanche of 2018. I found my next block. This is actually what I had in the Camaro, the 3100. So now I'm walking towards the back of this lot, and my neighbor just called me. He's back here and said that there's even more C10s. So I guess my count's gonna change. We'll see. There's a lot of old Fords here. That's all I see so far. A lot of square bodies. Oh yeah, a ton of square bodies all up here. Jeep truck. The worst thing is there's a ton of Jeeps here, but they're all early 90s Jeeps. And this would have been perfect. I got so excited when I saw this thing, and this thing is intact and it's white. Just like the 98 that I have. Problem is a 96. 2 years off, it's still the old body style. Oh well. There's probably some parts I could get off this thing though. So check out the name of this limo company. Reliable limo. Yeah, not so much. Alright, I found my power plant for the C10. What do you guys think? Think they'll fit between the fenders? Man, these things are sweet. I think I found Optimus Prime. Just as we're walking out, we found another second gen. What a waste. T-tops and all. Look at this thing. They just butchered that frame. I think this will conclude our junkyard adventure for the day. Thankfully the skies cleared up. I mean, the storm that they were showing was pretty big, and now it's beautiful out there. This guy does have another yard, probably about 20 minutes from here. Not really sure if we're gonna stop there on the way home or if we're just gonna drive past it. We'll find out, I guess, if this video continues. I'll see you there. If not, see you next time. Later. So if you guys want more videos like this, click the subscribe button right there, and there might be some kind of video to watch up here or even down here.